Hi everybody, it is Danelle, and today meeting individuals needing inspiration or mini therapeutic courses is here at the Roby's Family Farm Expo in Franklin, Tennessee at the Williamson Ag Center. Come by and see us. If you have not ordered tickets already, they are $10 at the door. So here is our booth, and let's walk around and see what all we have. I want to check out this because for those that need something affordable, look at this 9x6, $800. What a great little run-in. People can't walk in, but it can be run in. We've got coops for sale. Rabbits, goats, bandanas, sheep, more guard dogs, chickens, more chickens. We've got some wreaths, another nice guard dog, more chickens. Oh, there's 2 goats in here. Hi. Hi. Oh, a lot of chickens got out. Quail eggs. Quails.
What kind of food?
Plants. Piggies. Oh, look at the piggies. Can I touch?
Absolutely.
Since I helped you, catch earlier.
Oh, yeah.
More plants. Chickens. Rabbits. Ducks. Oh, they have a nice setup. More chickens. So it is small. I've already walked almost all the way around, but I have been going really fast. So we also have a kids zone with face painting and a bouncy house. So to find us, go to the bouncy house and turn right. So, puppies and tie-dye. So come by and see us. Say hello. We are fundraising today. Have a great day.